Hello. Today we are in sunny Liverpool, back at the Bramley-moore dock, to give you a little update on what's going on with the Everton stadium. So we'll just flip you around and show you where it's up to. So, concrete's being installed there and there. I don't know whether this was on the last video, but there's brickwork going up there, and there is a big truck coming out, so we can't see that bit at the moment. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel, you can like and share the video. If you'd like to support our channel, there are links in the description below that you can use to support the channel for future videos such as this one. We're walking and talking. Excuse the glasses, it's so I don't squint in the camera. I think I've just stepped in. Well. Okay. Just going to flip you. So as you can see there, look, there's a brickwork being installed there. You will see this in the drone video when we get up in the air, which we already have. It's a beautiful day and things are coming up and looking really well. I actually seen an article in the Liverpool Echo, I think it was, saying everything is on time to where they want it to be. So it's no delays, it is actually bang on target, which is good to know and good to hear. Right, that's enough of Everton, let's get into this video. Don't forget, if you do like this video, share, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to leave any of the links in the comments below, check them out. That'll be a great help to supporting this channel. Take care, we'll see you soon. So I went to the Everton game where we lost against Fulham. I was next to one of my subscribers, Neil, and in this particular shot he's asked me to do this specifically because he wants to just see where the turnstiles are actually going to go. So that's why we're low, hovering over the water in this particular shot. As you can see there on the corner of this side of the stadium, lots of brickwork has now been completed. It looks like it might actually be finished. No, there's still a little bit at the top just there on the river side of that particular corner. Concentrated a lot more on the roof of this side of the stadium for this particular update, just to try and show you where that's up to, and you can see where the concrete is starting to be installed as well. So as you can see here in this particular shot, the concrete is starting to be installed as we start circling around the north side of the stadium or site. There you go, there's more brickwork being completed there. While it was, the cranes were actually lifting skips up. Not sure what that was for, but I never had my camera. The GoPro was in the car when it was happening. It wasn't set up, so we missed it, which I'm a bit gutted about. As the drone is moving around here, I took this shot and just kept it there for a second because you can actually see right inside and what's going on the ground. So that's why this particular shot of panned right across it. I hope you've enjoyed this update of the Bramley-Moore Stadium build. Subscribe to our channel for future videos similar to this. Take care, we'll see you soon.